feature. Let's see if we can do something. Free spins. One more. Let's go. Line them up. Coins. All right. Bonus in the bonus. Love that. There's already about like $10 or $11 out. So let's go. We need a green one. The major is over $800. Come on. Drop some words in there. Come on. Alright. $4. Let's go. Oh, I saw the green. I saw the major. Drop the major in. $5. Let's go. Bigger numbers. Bigger numbers. Let's go. Save it. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's a pretty good start to our feature, right? Hey! Back-to-back coin features. Okay. Let's go. Alright, I got $30, $35 out there. Let's go. Come on, drop them in. Oh, come on, save it. Save it. There you go, $3 more. Come on, fill them all in. Oh, nice. Music change. Oh, one more. How crazy would that be? Let's go. Grand is over $14,000. Just one chip. We're still in the spin feature. Only our third spin. We got 5 more free spins to go. Take it, another $45. Let's go. No way. Third bonus in a bonus in this one spin feature. And these are good numbers. There's 15 out there, $10 out there. Let's go. No big ones. Drop that major. Just drop that major in there. I'll take a minor. Minor's $50. Take anything, just keep the numbers dropping. Let's go. Come on. Save it. Save it. Another $5. Let's go. 10 more bucks. Let's go. Come on. I feel that green coming. I feel the green coming. Let's go. Come on. One time. Save it. Save it. $10 more. This is a good bonus. This is on a $1 bet. We're already over $100 easily on our free spin feature. Let's go. There we go. We still have 4 more spins to go. Right now we're at $132 in this free spin. Let's go. Do something. Do something. Oh, that's still pretty good. Let's go. Oh, just got blocked. No way. No, 4th bonus in a bonus. I don't think I've ever seen that before on the free spin feature. Oh, can't talk. Come on, fill them all in. Now give me that green. This would be the most epic. Come on, save it. The most epic bonus ever. Minis 10. This bonus is going to be over $160. plus. Boom. 166. I'm out.